Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 字 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write 字 资 resource, money, to provide, for example, 资格 qualifications, 资格资格 qualifications. What qualifications should I have to apply for this job? What qualifications should I have to apply for this job? 要申请这个工作，我需要具备哪些资格？要申请 apply for 这个工作 to apply for this job 我需要具备哪些资格？要申请这个工作，我需要具备哪些资格？ What qualifications should I have to apply for this job? 要申请这个工作，我需要具备哪些资格？ My daily handwriting on the character 资 resource, money, to provide, 资格 qualifications. What qualifications should I have to apply for this job? 要申请这个工作，我需要具备哪些资格？资 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 资. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.